What's up, everyone? It's Chad. We are going fishing today. It has been a minute since I made a video, but y'all, we're going down to Fort Morgan. Looking to bust the drone out. I got a new DJI Mini Mavic and gonna bust that bad boy out and hopefully find some fish with it and get some cool shots. So we'll see how that goes. We're gonna throw some Matrix products today. Got a Matrix crawl that I'm throwing, Texas rigged. And I've got a Matrix X Shad that I'm trying out for the first time. So I'm pretty pumped on that. But other than that, guys, stay tuned and we'll get at it. So we are out here now. This is a bait I'm throwing. It's called the Matrix X Shad. I'm just got a little GoldenEye jig head on here. This thing is extremely realistic. I will apologize in advance. My drive is super squeaky. I need to take it in to get it serviced. Not sure why it's doing that, but yeah, we're gonna try to get into them to make the first cast. See what happens. Beautiful redfish, guys. Still a little green. Perfect, guys, perfect. Come on. He hadn't been in this marsh long, I'll tell you that much. Very silver in color. Check that out. Got him on the Matrix X Shad. Got the good old sticky pants stringer, ready to rock and roll. Guys, this Matrix X Shad is just tearing it up. Come here, baby. That's a good fish, y'all. Come on. The grill. Beautiful redfish. There he is, guys. Beautiful red. Check him out. Caught him on the Matrix X. And he was sitting right off that point where I figured he would be. We have a incoming tide, so typically what happens is we get a bunch of fish that are set up on these points, and what they're looking for is basically food. Okay, yeah, he's definitely in the slot. 23 inches. So they're looking for food, and basically they're trying to eat as much as they can while this tide is moving, because what the tide is doing is it's bringing the food to the fish. So they set up on these points, the tide starts coming in, When that tide starts coming in, it's bringing all the bait fish and shrimp and whatever into these cuts. So you can see those redfish and kind of how they schooled up. I'll throw that in right here. Guys, so overall very successful day. The matrix eggs, man, I had it in the bag today, and you know, those fish, like I was saying, were set up. They were waiting for that bait to come to them, and you know, that's basically what I was trying to mimic throughout the whole day. Managed to get 2 really good keepers, take home, throw on the grill tonight, and make some fish tacos or whatever with that. So, but guys, other than that, thank you so much for watching, guys. I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video, but I plan on posting a lot more videos in the near future. My dry spell of videos is over now. So thank you again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you next time. Later.